In general, Automation Studio refers to a range of applications or platforms designed to automate various tasks or processes. These software solutions often utilize technologies like artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning, and robotic process automation (RPA) to streamline and optimize workflows, reduce manual effort, and increase efficiency. Automation software can be used in various industries and applications, such as robotic process automation (RPA). RPA software automates repetitive and rule-based tasks performed by humans, typically in office environments. It can interact with various software applications, perform data entry, generate reports, and execute other routine tasks. Industrial automation. In industrial settings, automation software and systems are used to control and monitor manufacturing processes, machinery, and equipment. These solutions often include programmable logic controllers, PLCs, human-machine interfaces, HMIs, and supervisory control and data acquisition (SCADA) systems. Business Process Automation (BPA). BPA software enables the automation of complex business processes, including workflow management, document processing, data integration, and decision-making. It helps organizations streamline operations, reduce errors, and improve productivity. IT Operations Automation. This type of automation software focuses on automating various IT operations, such as system monitoring, network management, software deployment, and incident response. It helps streamline IT processes, enhance system reliability, and reduce downtime. Test automation. Test automation software used to automate the execution of tests and validation procedures for software applications. It helps improve testing efficiency, reduces human error, and accelerates the software development lifecycle. It's worth noting that the term Automation Studio could also be specific to a particular vendor or company that offers their own software solution. If that's the case, I recommend visiting the website or contacting the vendor directly to obtain detailed information about their Automation Studio software.